Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Snapchat not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is just open your mobile Play Store or App Store. So guys, open here, and after that you have to search the Snapchat. So I search here Snapchat. If you have not updated the Snapchat app, then first you have to update it, or simply click the update. So guys, after that you have to come back, and after that you have to open your mobile settings. So guys, open here. After that you have to scroll it down, and after that you have to click the app management and click the app list. So guys, this page is loading now. Please wait on 3 seconds or 5 seconds. So guys, after that you have to scroll it down or search the Snapchat. Select the Snapchat app. After that you have to click the full stop and again click the full stop. After that you have to click the storage. After that you have to click the clear cache. Not to click the clear data, only on click the clear cache. So I click here. So guys, after that you have to come back. After that you have to click the permissions. After that you have to click the contacts and click the allow. After that you have to come back and close all files. After that you have to again open the mobile Play Store and search the Snapchat. So guys, update complete. If you have not update complete, so guys, please first you have to update complete. After that you have to open. After that you have to open your Snapchat app. So guys, working. Open your profile icon, continue. So guys, this, please subscribe the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon all, never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.